Okay, after you successfully order, you get a link on your registered email address. Just click on this link. And click on direct download option. Save this file. Now open the file which you have downloaded. Click on adjustmentprogram.exe file. Then it will show you a license ID. Just select and copy. Move back to your mail, same mail. Click on reply and paste the license ID and send it to us. And wait for our reply. Thank you.